Yo, so just pulled up. Well, I didn't even say this. I was talking, but the mic wasn't even on. So yeah, let me do this intro again. So today I need to get some fabric so I can make some more sweatpants, and I want to make a hoodie. I want to make an actual matching set. So that's my goal today. So we're gonna go in. I'm here at Rack. I need to go in here and find some fabric. Shit, my shit not even tight. I need to go in here and find some fabric, like I said, to go with that. And I also need to get some fabric because I want to start making some tank tops and some t-shirts. And I also need to get some ribbon too while I'm down here. So I should be able to knock all this out today. So yeah, let me go in here, put some money on this meter, and let me start running through all this fabric. All right, so this is a French terry. I wanted to get something similar to. This is like what I made the sweatpants with. Then you can see. Then I end up dyeing them to give them this ash wash black look. So this is the same fabric, I just dyed it. Then this is a cotton knit with a little bit of spandex. And this is what I've been making to make like those long sleeve white t-shirts and the white tees you've been seeing me wear. So I'm gonna get more fabric. And I also need to get some ribbon, like I said today, so I can start on those sweatpants. That's mandatory, like mando. Yeah, bruh, this place is massive with all of the fabric options they have here. I'm gonna try to see if I can get the young lady that helped me last time I was here, because that made my life and job way easier, especially for she can point me directly in a direction to find exactly what I'm looking for right now. They have like some rayons. I believe that's how you say it. Rayons. I believe this is where, I think this is the room I found it in last time. Yup. There's so many options, dog. I think this is actually it though. I think I may have found it. I think it's this one. Maybe I should focus on the fleece first. Yeah, let me find the fleece first, because that's my main thing, is the hoodies and the sweatpants.
That's the brown and the green. You think that was
found that shit. That I was right. I walked right past it. But this is what I was talking about. This is what I made the pants out of. See? Then I got this brown.
Just give me a second. I'm running. Grab your piece.
Yeah. Thanks, bro.
You're welcome.
This is what I picked up last time I was here. That ain't 21 though. And the good thing about this is I can dye this. Like if I need to dye it a different color, he's about to bring me the gray too, so I can see what the gray looks like. Then depending on that, I'll probably decide which one to go with. If they have enough of the gray, I'll probably do the gray, because I feel like that'd be easier to work with as far as like dyeing and stuff. Like if I want to do a different color, because I feel like with this batch I'm gonna test some different colors out as far as like dyeing, just to see how it works, and then go from there. Even if I can find like a white French terry that they have where I can just dye it to get the desired color I want, that'd be cool too. But me preferably, I prefer to get the fabric in the color I want, so that way it's a lot less likely that the dye will transfer once you dye it, because then people, you know, you're having to let people know like, yo, it's a possibility that this could bleed onto other stuff, and I used to hate that. So what's up, man? Thanks.
You're welcome.
Oh yeah, that's fire. This is the gray. Yeah. So I think I'm gonna just go with this gray. Do shit, I don't know how many yards I would do to keep it a buck with you, especially right now. Because here, like I said, it's a minimum you have to spend. You have to, not spend, but you have to get, which is 20 yards. So I feel like if I get the gray, it'll be a lot easier for me to find ribbing at another spot, because I'm not gonna get the ribbing here because I don't need 21 yards of ribbing. Because like I said, I'm just testing. So I think I'll probably go with the gray, then go to the other spot my homie Hector was telling me about to get the ribbing. I think that just makes way more sense. But this green though, they have some left, which I'm surprised. I didn't think they was gonna have any left. What's this? It's nice. It's so easy to be in here and get sidetracked. What is this? This is fly too. Yeah, I think the gray makes the most sense for what I'm doing. Yeah, I'm gonna go with the gray. So I made these. Like I said, I dyed these from these. So yeah, it's like full circle moment right now. But this place is massive, bro. So many options. Alright, y'all. So I think we're just gonna finish out with this. I can wait on the t-shirt material. I want to focus on the sweatsuit. So I think we're just gonna get the stuff for the sweatsuit right now. And yeah, I gotta get some ribbing still. I gotta check and see what time this place closes actually. And I need to get some thread. Fuck. Seen this last time I was here. This is that Japanese canvas they were telling me about. So they had a roll that was like, I think he said like it's around 18 yards or something like that. I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna work on some stuff. So we have the fleece right now, and we have the canvas we're going with. All right, y'all. So just leaving rag finders. We got the fleece, and we also got, you can't see it, it's on the other side of that. I also got some canvas, the Japanese canvas I had seen last time. So yeah. We got some shit to work on this time. I'm gonna be challenging myself. I actually want to make an actual pair of pants. So I'm gonna give that a shot. And we got a little bit of running around we're gonna be doing in LA right now though. But let me get moving before this traffic start picking up. So I'm getting close. Shorty was scared as fuck with me in the elevator. All right, so leaving the homie's crib. Now I'm about to head up to my homeboy Crash, his art exhibit. He's in his art exhibit like right down the street downtown. So gonna pull up over here on him, show him some love or whatever, which is not that far away. Well, I'm lying. Damn. But yeah, we gotta go meet up with Crash right now, which I feel like this shit go pretty cool. It ends at 11. What you doing, my boy? All right, so let's throw this shit in the trunk. Let's get active. All right, I'm out here trying to make sure I don't get fucking hit. But pulling up, we just parked, walking up to the art exhibit. It's pretty packed. There's a lot of people outside. I hope that wasn't the line. I'm hoping that was like people showing their stuff. But we'll see. Hopefully I can get like some footage of the homie Crash with his thing set up too, so I can send that to him later afterwards.
Up against that body, turn you to somebody.
Hey, it's like a grown ass man. You look like you got money.
10 down, I'ma hold that line. Only know how to play my part. Say so when I make that mine. Hold that, let me take my time.
Rest in peace, Bobby Mayfield, man. This one for you.
Finally home. Got the fabric. The homie Crash's art show or art exhibition I went to. Got some fabric, ribbing. See, shorty. It was a good day yesterday. Got a lot of stuff done. Let me show you guys some of the fabric I got. I already pulled it out the car. We got some more of the French terry, same type of like the green, but we got a gray this time. And I actually got this black Japanese canvas that they had. I don't know if y'all remember I was talking about it the first time I went. I got that green fabric. Now I got this Japanese canvas that I'm excited to work with if I get it in focus. I want to try to make like a bag, some pants, a couple of things